Hello everyone, this is Fine from Tech Gaming Villa. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the new Soundbuster G8 DAC which Creative recently released. I need to see how I can apply it on non-gaming use cases in this product. And you can see from the new Soundbuster G8, there's nothing in the design that hints that this external audio interface is for gamers. No RGB color LED. Still, the Soundbuster G8 is the latest model of the G series product line designed for gaming. But unlike the predecessor GC7, the G8 has a more modest appearance that would fit in any setting, even for work. For many generations since G3, the G series products boast one unique feature among others. That is the ability to adjust audio levels from two discrete sources. In the gaming world, one source is the in-gaming music and another source is the voice chat. This feature allows gamers to either hear both audio inputs or hear one audio louder than the other. Just by adjusting a control knob, YouTube calls this feature Game Voice Mix.
If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Awesome Tech Gaming Pro, where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater, graphics cards. You can check and subscribe.
With the Soundbuster G8, Creative has upped the ante with the ability to support two USB digital audio streams. USB 1 is the game channel, which also feeds power to the G8. When plugged to the Windows or Mac, you can control and customize the G8 via the Creative Ads software. The large volume knob also adjusts the computer volume. USB 2 is the voice channel. You have to adjust the max volume from the source device and then while turning the Game Voice Mix knob, the audio levels will be mixed down. Besides the two USB inputs, the G8 can also connect audio sources via 3.5mm line-in, optical in, and HDMI out. For audio out, you have the 3.5mm line out, optical out, and 3.5mm headphones. USB 2 and line-in falls under voice channel, while the rest are under game channel. If there are audio inputs playing at the same time, you can hear all the audio from the G8. There is a switch at the back that only allows you select either HDMI out or optical in. So you cannot stream audio from these two sources simultaneously. To adjust the audio level of the individual sources, you can use the Creative App software. It is also possible to do recording of the audio mix from one or all sources. There are three buttons on the Soundbuster G8 that you can apply effects to all input sources. The first one is pitch toggles between EQ, Scout mode, and off. The second mode button enables the direct mode, which essentially bypasses any onboard DSP. Disables Game Voice Mix control, delivering a direct signal from the source. The last button HP and SPK toggles between headphone output and speaker output. When the LED is on, the headphone jack will have audio. When the LED is off, the line out and optical out will send audio signals out. G8 will auto-detect when you plug headphones and will turn on HP mode. The microphone works for both USB devices simultaneously. The volume knob on the G8 does not adjust volume through line out and optical out. After describing how the Soundbuster G8 works, you can see how this product can be used for non-gaming situations. I've generalized the Soundbuster G8 is a two-channel audio mixture that supports two USB digital audio inputs, a unique capability while most audio mixers just offer analog or at most one USB input. It is also unique to support HDMI ARC audio input. There is definitely merit when an audio interface takes in digital audio inputs, optical, HDMI, and USB, as digital audio does not contain electrical noises. Since the product is designed to connect to the most popular gaming systems like PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and smartphones, the G8 supports these gaming devices directly. And if you are an audio enthusiast, you know that digital audio delivers much higher fidelity, and the G8 32-bit 384 kHz audio chip and exempt discrete biamplifier can handle headphones between 1 to 600 ohms and deliver 130 decibel dynamic range, including a gain switch to boost your headphone audio level. Let's go through some use cases that the Sound Blaster G8 will be a blast to use. You can connect USB 1 to laptop and USB to smartphone. Connect line out to speakers or headset. Watch your social feeds on your smartphone. Take calls on your smartphone. Conduct Teams or Zoom calls on your laptop. Adjust game voice mix knob to change your audio focus. You can use these on your PC or laptop. Fancy connected to computers to a G8 so you can enjoy the best digital audio experience without the need to buy separate decks. No need to manually swap USB cables to different computers when you need. You could have a dedicated gaming rig and then a separate work laptop. You can connect them together and you will not need to swap headphones when you need to switch between work and play. You can connect G8 to your laptop and connect HDMI or optical in or line in to your external sound system, CD player, turntable, tape deck. Now we can enjoy quality music without using your laptop as the audio source through the same headphones or speakers. What could be better? There's some room for design improvement though. For instance, there is no button or knob to control my volume or mute it. It does not have Super X5, which would certainly extend the product to more consumers to enjoy the underrated technology. The HDMI out does not seem to work with normal HDMI. Well, at least it didn't work with my Opco BDT101CA universal player. There is also no power button, which would be good so that I do not have to unplug the Sound Blaster G8 from my laptop when I don't want to use it. Finally, I missed opportunity. The Sound Blaster logo is back to it, but it only has one color. An ability to customize the color with RGB would provide much versatility to a wider audience. Wouldn't it be cool to personalize the Sound Blaster G8 with a color that fits the owner? So finally, I want to say the creative team is always designing products ahead of our time, adding features that do not have a huge demand, but great features that make use of existing available technology where other mainstream brands avoid. Last year, they boldly introduced LE Audio, a Bluetooth broadcast technology that not many manufacturers embrace to their wireless earbuds and headphones. Then there is also Project Watcher, a crowdfunding product that supports two webcam feeds simultaneously without the need for additional broadcast streaming tools. I've always loved the numerous audio interfaces that Creative has created for the audio community, from the Sound Blaster K3 Plus to the Sound Blaster X5. With the new Sound Blaster G8, it is now possible to connect two USB audio, HDMI out, optical in and line in to a single mixture and output to headphones, speakers or direct to digital recording mix. Currently, this Sound Blaster G8 retails in Singapore at 239 Singaporean dollar, but on USA, its price is $150. So what's your thought about this Sound Blaster G8 high resolution dual USB gaming deck and amp? Please write in the comments below. You can watch my other video comparison about the Sound Blaster X5 versus Sound Blaster A9 and Sound Blaster ZXR versus Sound Blaster A9. And you can watch the Shake 100D party chain video. You may like it. So that's it from now. Take care.